Hi everyone! So today I will show you a very easy way to use HubSpot to enrich your contact data. So I'm sure you already heard about the HubSpot Insights. This is an out-of-the-box tool within HubSpot that provides some very important information on the company level, such as industry, number of employees, annual revenue, web technologies, LinkedIn company page, and way more. This information is super useful to describe your ideal customer profile, also to use it in lead scoring, contact lists, and other types of segmentation techniques inside HubSpot. And make sure you are first checking with your legal team if you are really allowed to use this type of information that HubSpot provides on your contact profile. So the question now is, how can we actually use that information in the contact profile without directly asking for it in forms? So the answer is quite simple. We are going to use a workflow that copies those values from the company object down to the contact object. So here I'm using company-based workflow with the trigger last modified date has been updated in the last one day. This guarantees me that every time a new contact is being associated with a company, that all of those updates take place. Then the type of information you want to copy from the company object to the contact object really is up to you. So for instance, for me, annual revenue, number of employees, maybe location, web technologies are very important information to define my ideal customer profile. There's tons of other ones that you can use. And basically here I'm using the action copy property value, and I can just copy or choose the property that I want and then choose the target object that in this case would be contact. So in case you only want to populate an empty field, so if you already have something in those fields and you don't want this workflow to override it, you can just use branch and then use associated company or associated contact has any of whatever property. For instance, annual revenue is unknown, and only under those criteria this property will be updated. With regards to the number of employees, I'm doing something different here before going ahead and copy the values from the company to the contact. And the reason why is because number of employees, it is a standard property in HubSpot with a drop-down format, but on the company level, it's a number format. I want to make sure that I am copying the same type of value from one property to the other. So I'm creating a new property in the contact object named number of employees range, or I can just go ahead and straight up clone the one from the contact object to the company object. So then I have a drop-down field with already predefined values, and which are in this case ranges. And here I'm creating a branch, and then I'm naming each branch according to the ranges which are predefined in HubSpot already. So 1 to 5, 5 to 25, 25 to 50, and then I'm choosing the criteria which match that range. So then based on that, I'm setting the property value to the number of employees range. So then I have everything that HubSpot Insights provides me and writes in the number of employees property in the company object. And then setting based on that, I'm copying basically, the number, whatever it is, to the right range on the property number of employees ranges. And only after that, I'm actually copying the value from the company to the contact object. So let me know if you need some help setting this up in your portal, or if I should send you directly a screenshot of this workflow so you can replicate for your own. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.